A grayed out Cashout button in Solitaire Cache usually means the app is preventing the withdrawal request from being submitted, so the first step is to check the account and Cashout requirements before reinstalling anything. By the end, you'll know what to check when the Cashout option is unavailable, and which troubleshooting steps are safe to try without risking your account information. Start by opening Solitaire Cache and checking your balance carefully. Solitaire Cache can display different types of balances or rewards, and not every amount shown in the app necessarily represents money that can be withdrawn immediately. Next, open the Cashout or withdrawal section and check whether the app shows a message explaining why the button is disabled. If there is a verification request, missing payment information, or another account requirement, complete that step inside the official Solitaire Cache app rather than using a link from a message or advertisement. If there is no explanation, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then completely close Solitaire Cache and reopen it. A temporary connection problem can prevent account information from loading correctly, which can leave buttons unavailable. If the button is still grayed out, check whether Solitaire Cache has an update available through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. An outdated app can cause problems when the current version expects different account or payment information. After updating, restart your phone and open Solitaire Cache again. Then return to the Cashout screen and check whether the withdrawal option is available. If you recently changed account information, payment details, or verification information, avoid repeatedly submitting changes. Give the account information time to update and check whether Solitaire Cache displays any additional instructions. Another useful step is to check the app support section. Look for a help option related specifically to cashouts, withdrawals, payments, or account verification. If you contact support, include the exact message shown on the Cashout screen and explain that the Cashout button is grayed out. Avoid creating a second account just to bypass the disabled button. That can create additional account issues and may make it harder for support to determine what happened. So, the main fixes are simple. Check your available balance and account requirements. Verify your payment or identity information. Test your connection. Update Solitaire Cache, and restart the app. If the button remains unavailable after those steps, use the official support option instead of repeatedly reinstalling the app. Try those checks in that order, starting with the message on the Cashout screen. If this fixed your Solitaire Cache problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.